Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create a two-color text in Canva, a designing platform where you can create a text and then divide it into two parts with a part which is colored differently from another part of the text. Click on text, click here, and then let's say if you want to type two-color text just like so, you can even change the font size by typing any number here and then change the font type by clicking on this one, and then let's say if you want this to be the font, you can adjust the size just like this. And then all you have to do is to convert the text into a PNG image file. Go to share and then go to download and then set the file type to PNG and then click on transparent background, which is only available for Canva Pro users. Without Canva Pro, you can export this image into any image file and then you remove the background on any background remover website. Or simply we can type any text in designing programs such as CorelDRAW or Illustrator and then you save it as PNG with the transparency being turned on, and then click on download. And then go back, home, and then click on upload and then click on upload files, click on the file just like this. And then click on use in a new design and then click on custom size and then click on create new design just like this. And then we simply divide the text into two, but first we have to color it. Click on the image and then click on edit and then click on the duo tone effect. Afterwards click on one of these duo tone modes and then let's say if you want to color the text light blue just like this, copy the color hex, Ctrl C, and then for the shadows paste the color hex so that the color is now light blue just like this. And then copy and paste this. Let's say if you want a yellow shade, double click on it and then change the color into light yellow, copy the color hex, and then for the shadows paste it just like this. To make a two-color text, drag this, and there you have it. Looking cool, isn't it? Now your text has two colors. You can even do more color variations by copying one part of the text and then pasting it, and then click on duotone. You can highlight a certain part of the text, for example, the word text, where you can put a color for a part and for another part by clicking on the color icon next to highlights and shadows, and then color the highlights with a color that you want. Afterwards, copy the color hex for the highlights and then paste the color hex for the color hex of the shadows. And you're done creating this two-color text in Canva, a designing platform just like this. It's really easy to do, isn't it? Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao!